And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, let's look at this real quick. We've got 4 examples. The first 2 are very, very easy, and then I start getting into some dividing. But this is translating words into inequalities. So taking like a sentence, turn it into like math-looking junk. So that's kind of what we're looking for. First thing up is to know when you've got a less than or greater than sign. It's more than just eating the bigger number like it was in middle school. If the sign points left, it's less than. So left is less than, and if it's pointing right, it's greater than. You need to know. Left is less than. That's why it's important to know.
I just go by the way they point.
Points left is less than. Here's our first example. Here's the sentence. When a number is decreased by 4, comma, the result is more than 7. We're going to break it down into 3 spots here. When a number is decreased by 4,
X.
so that's going to look like x, then what?
Minus 4.
Yeah, if it's decreased by 4, it's x minus 4. So when a number is decreased by 4, it's x minus 4. And now when I say the result is more than, what sign do you think is more than?
Plus.
Well, these two.
No,
This one, the greater than. Make sure you know what the greater than sign looks like. If it's more than, I'm telling you it's that. And remember, sometimes they will say it's greater than or equal to. You need to have the equal to in that case. And then the 7 is just 7. So that's it. Then you got to put it together like one sentence. So you got to go x minus 4
Plus.
greater than 7. And the next one's just as simple. So let's look over on the back side once you have that. And let's look at the next one. It's going to say like x is increased or a number is increased. So I'm going to read it and we're going to break it into parts. Make sure you're writing this stuff down, following along. When a number is increased by 7, stop. Right there. Don't go further with your brain. I know you're trained to read the whole sentence. Don't. When a number is increased by 7, what does that look like algebra-wise?
X plus 7.
X plus 7. A mystery number is x plus 7. And then the result is more than, what sign goes with that?
Greater than.
Greater than, and know what that is. And then negative 2. Okay, so half of these are very, very easy. When a number is increased by 7, that's x plus 7, more than negative 2. Here's where it gets difficult. So let's go to example 3. We'll slow down a little bit because it does get difficult when you do all this dividing business. When a number is divided by negative 32, the result is greater than or equal to negative 8. So stop at the comma. When you're reading, stop at the first comma. There's been commas in every sentence so far. When a number is divided by negative 32, what's that going to look like? X over negative 32. More often than not, it's going to be a fraction. X over negative 32. And you can kind of already see the 2 possible answer choices. They're going to say greater than or equal to. So that's your greater than sign with the equal to and then negative 8. It's always the answer on this problem. Right there. All right, now this last one introduces the word quotient. So don't let the word quotient mess with you. When a number is divided by negative 18. When a number is divided by negative 18, that looks like what? X over negative 18.
Greater than or equal to.
Okay, when a number is divided by negative 18. Now, the next part. Read from comma to comma right here and stop. That quotient is decreased by 7. We're still on the left side here. So I need a minus 7. Here is a number divided by negative 18. Brady, a number divided by negative 18. Then the next thing, that quotient is decreased by 7. So this is a quotient. A fraction is a quotient. So put minus 7. Then the part that says the result is less than, what sign is that going to be? Less than. No equal to with it, just less than. And then put a 9. And there it all is. When a number is divided by negative 18, get that in there. So stop. Don't read it all and get confused. Stop after each comma. And that quotient is decreased by 7. The result is less than 9. Okay, so we have this whole rhythm that you have to remember from the very beginning, and even Joby is going to do it.
Can I do the cowbell?
Let's see. All right, so end it with the same beat that we started out with in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why is the last one so slow?
Let's restart it.
Because it's quarter now.
So we can edit the video and just
And make it really, really good.
Yeah.
All right, one more time. All right, let's end it with the same beat in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,